Asaf Jahi era, Nizam rule. After the decline of the Qutb-Shahi dynasty in 1724 CE, Nizam-ul-Mulk defied the authority of the Mughals and established the independent Hyderabad state. His descendants ruled Hyderabad from 1724 to 1948. This period is known as the Asaf Jahi era or the Nizam rule. 1. Nizam-ul-Mulk 1724 to 1748. Nizam-ul-Mulk was the founder of the Nizam state. His original name was Mir Kamar-ud-Din. The Mughal emperor Aurangzeb conferred on him the title Chin Kilich Khan, meaning young warrior. Later, another Mughal emperor Muhammad Shah gave him the title Asaf Jah. Eventually, he established the Asaf Jahi dynasty under this name after asserting independence from the Mughals. He wrote poetry under the pen name Shakir, meaning contented, Nasir Jang. After the death of Nizam-ul-Mulk, his son Nasir Jang assumed power. However, in the succession struggle, Muzaffar Jang, grandson of Nizam-ul-Mulk through his daughter, had Nasir Jang killed with the help of the Nawab of Kurnool, Himmat Khan, Muzaffar Jang. With French support, Muzaffar Jang became the ruler and granted them authority of Machilipatnam, Puducherry, and Karaikal. He gave the French officer at his court the title Idar Jung and appointed Dupleix as a Mansabdar over his cavalry of 7,000 troops. However, he was later killed at Lakiredipalli in present-day Kadapa district by Himmat Khan, the Nawab of Kurnool, Salabat Jang. After Muzaffar Jang's death, Salabat Jang became the Nizam of Hyderabad with French support. In return, he granted the northern Sarkars to the French. The French army under Bussy provided him protection. In 1761, Nizam Ali Khan deposed Salabat Jang and assumed power. Thus began the rule of Nizam Ali Khan, recognized as the second Nizam. Nasir Jang, Muzaffar Jang, and Salabat Jang were not officially recognized as Nizams by the Mughal emperors due to the succession conflicts. 2. Nizam Ali Khan, 1762 to 1803. Nizam Ali Khan, the second Nizam, did not accept British control over the northern Sarkars. However, by 1766, the British, through their envoy Kandrayagula Jogipantulu, took control of the region. He supported the British in the Third Mysore War and gained the territories of Kadapa, Ballari, and Guti. He was the first Indian ruler to join the subsidiary alliance system introduced by Richard Wellesley. He also shifted his capital from Aurangabad to Hyderabad. Third Sikandar Jah, 1803 to 1829, known as the third Nizam, Asaf Jah III. His reign witnessed the Second Anglo-Maratha War. The Nizam's forces were led by Raja Mahipati Ram, governor of Berar. The British replaced him with Diwan Chandulal as Peshkar. Sikandar Jah's Prime Minister Mir Alam was also anti-British. In 1811, under the leadership of British Resident Henry Russell, a special force was formed, known as the Russell Brigade or the Hyderabad Contingent. 4. Nasir-ud-Dawla, 1829 to 1857. He was the fourth Nizam, Asaf Jah IV. During his reign, many British officials were appointed in Hyderabad state. In 1829, Governor General William Bentinck requested a reduction in their number. He abolished the practice of sati in Hyderabad state. The Wahhabi movement also took place during his reign. 5. Afzal-ud-Dawla, 1857 to 1869. He became the fifth Nizam on May 18, 1857. During his reign, the Sepoy Mutiny began in Hyderabad on July 17, 1857. The khutbah, Friday sermon, began to be read in the name of the Nizam instead of the Mughal emperor. For assisting the British in suppressing the rebellion, British Resident Colonel Davidson and military officer Major Briggs conferred upon him the title Star of India. He also introduced a silver coin called Hali Sikka. 6. Mir Mahbub Ali Khan, 1869 to 1911. He was only 2.5 years old when Afzal-ud-Dawla died. Mirza Asha Beg, grandson of Mirza Ghalib, was appointed as his guardian. By 1884, he assumed full powers. In 1893, he established a legislative council. He abolished the Hyderabad contingent and merged it with the British army. During his reign, lawyer Kishan Rao formulated the Mulki rules. 7. Mir Osman Ali Khan, 1911 to 1948. The seventh and last Nizam was Mir Osman Ali Khan. During his reign, Hyderabad achieved significant all-round development. He constructed the Usman Sagar and Nizam Sagar reservoirs. He separated the judiciary from the executive branch. He also encouraged the Razakar system. In September 1948, between 13th and 17th, the government of India carried out a military operation called Operation Polo, integrating Hyderabad state into the Indian Union. On January 2nd, 1950, Hyderabad was officially declared part of the Indian Union, and the Nizam was appointed as Raj Pramukh.